0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
Hi guys, this is how it looks like with the skids and everything bolted, screws, lock nuts, markings for the front to mark the front of the drum. I'll have motor number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and course will be 1 and 3, 2 and 4. They will be connected different ways. And mission planner, so it's got the height of the ground about 760 millimeter of the ground. You'll be able to use, I will be able to use the propellers I have purchased, and if you order one you can probably use the same 42 inches, 45, and helix propellers for the beautiful flight of 48 inches. So the structure, as you can see, is got 2 battery packs, locators, cases, middle top for the electronics for the flight controller, GPS, and receiver, plus a small battery. It's very solid and robust build for the motors. Very easy to assemble, like you're saying. So highly recommend it if you like the structure and same type of engineering, you know, everything dismantleable and robust. We can change the materials, reduce everything to suit anything under 42 inches. But this is pretty big for 48 inches maximum. So I shall use it in this summer here in Australia, so I can learn the new skills and build this particular drone. Hopefully make it fly and safely without damaging anything. Yes, like I said, this is from Canberra, Australia. George, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy my structure. Give me the thumbs up, subscribe. Bad comments, I have to say, will be deleted and removed. Positive comments, improvements, suggestions, good suggestions, yeah, more than welcome. Thank you very much again. All the best. Bye.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Come and check. Come and check.
real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.